All right there, boys and girls. Here we are. We are on day 2 of our March daily math. So for number 1, it's asking us use less than, greater than, or equal to. So on this side we have 532, and on this side we have 523 plus 10 more. Well, one more 10, and this is our tens column. That 2 is in our tens column. So 1 more than 2 would be 3. So our new number should be 533. So 532 is greater than or less than? Yes, less than. The hard part there was adding one more 10 to 23, right? Here we go, shade 1/6. So I'm looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I'm going to shade 1 out of every 6 boxes, I can shade this one and this one. You can shade any 2 boxes you want. There are a total of 12 boxes, therefore we will need to have 2 boxes shaded. I kind of looked at it as, well, there's 6 boxes, and if I can shade 1 out of those 6, and there's 6 boxes, I can shade 1 out of those 6. That's what that is asking you to do. Number 3, write a multiplication equation that shows how many spots are on the mushrooms. Well, how many mushrooms are there? 1, 2, 3. And then how many spots are on each mushroom? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so each mushroom has 6 dots. There are 3 mushrooms. 3 times 6 equals 18. Number 4. Do you believe in leprechauns? Question mark. So here's the word leprechaun with our tiles. And what is the sum? Or, what's the answer if we add all the numbers together of these tiles? So let's just go through, kind of count little by little, right? So there's 1, 2, and 3 is 5, 1 more is 6, 1 more is 7, 3 more is 10, 4 more is 14, 15, 16, 17. So the sum of these tiles is 17. Well, now it says twice the sum. Well, twice means 2 times, right? So we're going to take 2 times 17. We're going to multiply it by 2. Well, 7 times 2 is 14. And 1 times 2 is 2. Plus the 1 more is 3. So twice the sum is 34. And our final problem for the day, there's a 7, there's a 6, and there's an 8. Use these digits to make the largest number possible. Well, an 8 in the hundreds column is going to be larger than the 6 or the 7. So we have to have an 8 in the first column, or the hundreds column. Then we're going to go to the 7 in the tens column, and a 6 in the ones column. And that's our largest number. All right. Boys and girls, we will see you tomorrow then for day 3. Take care.